Good morning. I'm here once again. This is Noor Ali with Right Tools for Right Job. As you have moved across vertical and horizontal in your IT trade, craft, career, and field, you have taken many courses, just like I have. What holds the most valuable course to you? As you grow into your trade, craft, field, and career, no matter is IT or non-IT, what is the most important? Tracy learning, the key of effective learning. Customer loyalty. Customer loyalty. I get a lot of requests from LinkedIn since I'm promoting my new hobby of my YouTube channel. Many people across different parts of the world, they want me as a customer, right? Many. Competition is tough. Fearsome, right? Remember, interactive process, behaviors, and telephone talk. Now it has become chat talk. Through LinkedIn, through Slack, through Zoom, through WebEx, different formats but the foundation is the same. Interactive process, behaviors, and telephone talk. We call it chat talk. Chat. So your whole world in IT, if you support, it's going to be focused in these 5 areas. I'm not going to cover in detail, but reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy, and tangibles. If you do 24/7 work like I have in the past, if you do third shift, second shift, you have done these 5 things. As an engineer, as an analyst, as a DevOps guy, or apps guy. Anybody who wants to keep me as their customers. Now, I've been in IT for 30 years. I obviously know how to do digital marketing. I also know how to create my own YouTube channel. I also know how to work with YouTube technology and other technologies, right? I know how to do SEO. I let other people do it. Anybody who's listening to my channel, you need to understand these 4 or 5 things. 5 factors of customer service: reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy, and tangibles, right? Without it, you cannot get my business. In the same token, if I were to look for customers, I need to master these 5 things. It's simple as that. No matter what you sell in this world today, this world has become a customer-based society. We are consumers, every one of us, right? You need to follow this right here. If you don't follow this, you won't gain your customers. You're going to lose it, right? There you go. I'm only going to cover the bullet points. I'm not going to cover the whole pamphlet or the book. It's one of the best books I have kept for myself, which I can look at it time after time. Pleasant, emotional, focus, unsure, right? If you deliver your first contact with your customer is good, pleasant, emotional, focused, unsure. It has to be pleasant. Cannot be emotional, cannot be focused, cannot be unsure. It has to be pleasant for you to gain that customer, to gain that business at all times. Most important is this: overcome customer fear and resistance. If you're in service business, if you want my business, how small, how big, it doesn't matter. You got to do this for yourself, for any customer out there. Remember this, learn this, okay? Access customer satisfaction. Assess customer satisfaction. Without this, you won't move a muscle. To gain your customer's trust, you got to meet the customer's needs. If you don't meet the customer's needs, you won't get the trust, you won't get the business. Even if the sale item is for $1, for a penny, for a quarter, for a nickel. It's irrelevant. You must meet customer needs to sell something. Most important bullet point to master. If you're young, if you're learning, if you're in your 20s or less than 20s, in your teens, strength relationship, offer suggestion, express appreciation. If you want to have a good bond with your customer, if you want to keep getting business from them, okay, it's a two-way communication, two-way road. Master this early in your career. Customer loyalty behavior. There you go. Master this. This is a top-notch skill set. Now, today, in use. If you don't master this, you can't move forward. Learn these words. Personable, put the customer first, empathetic, knowledgeable, and proactive. Be proactive. If you're not proactive, you're going to be left behind. You don't be left behind. Once again, here is the chart. Learn it, master it. Dealing with emotion is very important. You need to let your customers vent. If you don't let them vent, adios amigos, they will never come back to you. Offer insurance. How do you offer insurance? You have already got my business, you got to be honest with me at all points. Even if the sale item is $40, if I'm paying you $40 or $50 to do my work, right? Be honest at all time. Channel the conversation. You need to learn this. You need to know this. Key actions. They are still in use. Eye contact. Pay attention. Don't interrupt. Don't interject. Restate. Summarize. Encourage. Ask for feeling, thoughts, and ideas. Ask for more information. Ask clarifying questions. Verbal acceptance. Non-verbal acceptance. These are the most key skill set, you may call it. Very vital, very information. No matter if you're in IT or non-IT, no matter what career you're into, this will make it or break it right here. We gather information. We always gather information before we work on any project or contract, right? On our Jira ticket, on our Remedy ticket or ServiceNow ticket. Without not having a proper information, you won't be able to troubleshoot or resolve your ticket. Same concept. When you're gathering information, there are two types of questions. Open-ended questions, close-ended questions. You need to understand the hierarchy of the questions. Content questions, process questions, application questions. Master this, and you'll master your career, craft, and trade. In the end, you got to clarify. Always clarify. Don't overpromise, don't underpromise. Don't overdeliver, don't underdeliver. Be honest. Do the right thing. Key actions. Ask probing questions, get specific information, explain your viewpoints in clear manner. Listen carefully to the information, check your understanding, restate the key information. This concept is called and known as share intentions. Very valuable, very important. Also remember, if you are a consultant, contractor, freelancer, and you want me to be your customers, this is where you're going to be at, right? The competition is tough, right? Don't overcharge people. Don't overcharge people. Especially an ex-IT person or a current IT person who's been in IT, who understands and knows digital marketing, who understands AI, who understands automation and other things. And he knows what softwares are out there for CEO, right? Be honest, be upfront, be diligent. Correction need to be made. I meant SEO. SEO. SEO, that is used for digital marketing, for a YouTube channel, for content creation. I do correct myself. My tongue slipped. My bad. Key actions are always say thank you. Show appreciation by listening, recognize patient when looking up information. Appreciate their sharing information with you. Always do that. I do it. I have done it. I'm going to keep on doing it. You want to master anything in life, non-IT or IT, this is the 4 blocks you got to know. Okay? Very important, very important, very important. Any field you want to master, any field, this is the it right here. Once again, here's a flow chart, right? I'm going to go close so you can know which steps are, so you can learn it to yourself and teach yourself. Remember, as we move forward with technologies, which is my next content that I'm going to share, you need to understand this basic foundation. If you are looking for customers, and if a customer walks into your doorstep, don't let them go. Don't let them go. You let them go, you are letting your earnings go, right? And we all need to pay our bills, right? So for me, every project, every contact is my customer. I will deliver it as written on the documentation, and I'll move forward. I'm the same way. I've been the same way. All right? Well, telephone talk are still in use, but nowadays most communication are happening through chat, LinkedIn chat, Slack, Teams, Zoom, WebEx, and other chats are out there. But telephone is still one of the most powerful devices out there, so you need to master that too. Communication is one of the most vital skill set to master. Visual cues, silent gestures, and eye contact. How you feel, how you act, how you communicate on the phone is very important. Even on all your interviews that you take on Zoom, WebEx, or other ways that are done, mostly they're done in Zoom, Teams, or Slack. Nowadays they're done in Zoom, Team, or Slack. Visual cues, silent gestures, and eye contact. Eye contact and visual cues are very important. Is how you feel, how you react to the questions, right? Make sure you're calm, make sure you feel good, make sure you have eaten your breakfast or your tea, and before you talk to any of your customers or any clients. Very important. Content and expressions. Here's a brief example, right? And here's some cartoons that will help you. It is very important to understand vocal quality, what it stands for, what does it mean. Here's a difference, face-to-face. Face-to-face is totally different than on the phone, right? So here's the difference again, face-to-face versus on the phone. If you keep your voice calm, if you smile in your voice, you'll be the winner. You want to be the winner? Smile in your voice. Vocal qualities are very important to master and learn. Okay? This course was paid by the company. I'm sharing with the world. It's a freebie. It's a freebie for all my viewers, my audience, and subscribers. It's a freebie. Master it and learn it. Whatever trade you're in, whatever craft you're in, careers, this will make you the winner. 4 things are involved: pitch, tone, pace, enunciation. Enunciation. My tongue slips on that one. My bad. But anyway, here they are. Here's pitch, what it means. Here's enunciation. Pronunciation, constant words, clearly, how to speak clearly. Tone, pace, very important. Most important skill set that you ever learn to master in your lifetime for your career. And this is a lifelong learning. This doesn't stop today or tomorrow. No, sir. Oh my God, this is the most important. Depends on your customer, what kind of customer you have on the other side. Grammar and word usage, terminology of jargon and non-words. If your customer is not IT, is not, we call it not a geek, pardon my expression, don't use jargons, don't use heavy. Be very, not a caveman type, layman type. We call it layman. Keep it simple, simplify. The more simple you are, the better you're going to gain your customers' trust, right? But don't over-deliver, don't over-promise, and don't under-deliver. Don't under-promise. Be honest. Be right. You're honest, and if you're going to do the right thing, you will get that customer. Be honest. All right? Don't make things up that you don't know. I don't make things up. I will only deliver what I know. If it's something new, I will learn, gain, and move on. Okay, always use positive, calming language. Let them know when you need to look up information. Avoid the whole button. If you've been in CSR, Customer Service Representative, you have done it all. Listen, listen, listen. Listening is one of the best skill set you ever master in your lifetime. Don't hang up. Complete your call. Don't hang up. Remember, this is a skill set that I'm sharing with you that are still valid, applied, and used today across IT and across non-IT fields. Any trade, any craft, any career, any fields. Once again, I'm grateful to all my viewers, audience, and subscribers. Share, learn, teach, grow, and educate. Learn for life. Not for today, not for tomorrow, but for life. If you like it, subscribe it, please. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Till next time. Bye.